how are you? Are you okay? We opened the iPhone 17 Pro Max to see is this real or not. Let's start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, and me, now I'm doing the letter of the bottom bit. So let's go. And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And
Wow,
now
it's open.
Let's go.
Bismillah.
Open karo. And
Wow!
my mom's new 17 iPhone. And look how colored it is.
Wow, very nice color.
It's not good. And there's just a paper.
Wait, just peel off.
And let's peel
One.
it off.
1,
2, 3, and
4. Wow! Nice.
on it. Let's see what it's going to say. I can't wait. It might say